Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I've got a customer's Model S in here. He came in for a brand new set of wheels, and guess what he chose? Fully forged TXL115s in 20-inch. This is a staggered set of wheels, 10 inches in the front, 11 in the back, a little wider back here. We've got 285/35/20s in the front for the tire and 305/30/20s in the back for the rear tires. Big meats back here. But because this is a fully forged wheel, it's lighter than stock. So we've reduced a little bit of the unsprung mass, we've reduced the rotating mass, makes the vehicle a little lighter on its feet, a little quicker, and it gives an awesome look. It's a really nice scalloped out wheel, a traditional wheel with a nice DNA that looks very Tesla-like. This has been one of our most popular wheels. I have run this on my Model S Plaid, and I'm gonna share with you a little bit in a minute what's on my Plaid. But for now, let's just focus on this. This wheel is finished in gloss black, really a beautiful look, and the contrast on the white car, you can't beat it. White car, gloss black, fully forged wheel, winning combination for sure. Now, the fitment from T-Sportline is aggressive in its looks and its stance, but no rubbing whatsoever. So it's a little more flush than stock. The vehicle he's gonna put some lowering links on it. We don't have them on there right now, but guaranteed not to rub. So no issues with the fitment, no issues clearancing to the brakes. This is just a bolt on and go type setup. All right, everybody, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Go to tsportline.com, check these wheels out, see what we've got for you.